feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Stop hiccups naturally in 30 seconds by taking a deep breath and holding it while swallowing 3 times slowly. This resets your diaphragm and breaks the hiccup cycle. Another fast method is to drink a small glass of water non-stop. Both tricks stimulate the nerves, causing hiccups, and calm your respiratory system quickly.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.